The Oppo Find X8 series is set to launch on October 24, and among its new features, the Find X8 Pro introduced a unique camera control button. This addition brings a functionality similar to the capture button on the iPhone 16 series, but it is our desktop advantages. While early images show a glimpse of the button, there was limited information about its actual future. Until now, recently, a company official provided insight into how the new pressure sensitive button works and what it offers for the user experience. So, number one feature, quick camera launch. With a simple double tap on the button, user can instantly launch the camera app. All of Android devices usually have a shortcut to the camera on the lock screen. Accessing it often involves pressing the power button or double tapping the display first. The new button stimulates this processor, making it quicker and a more intuitive. The second key feature is zoom control. Sweeping on the button allows users to adjust the zoom level easily. This feature is particularly useful for those who frequently use the camera with one hand. Enhanced underwater camera uses. Key feature number 3. Another benefit of the camera control button is for underwater photography. The Find X8 Pro, being a flagship device in 2024, comes with the IP69 rating for the dust and water resistance, enabling users to capture photos or videos underwater up to certain depths. Normally, touch control do not work well in wet conditions, but this physical button ensures that user can still operate the camera efficiently even when submerged. The thoughtful placement of the button on the bottom left of the device makes it easily accessible. The Oppo Find X8 series launched on 24 October with capture button in China.